Hello, my name is Mimi Gaber, and I am head designer and owner of Mimi Jolie Maison in Naples, Florida. I do interior design and architect on any scale from high-end to investments. This is a penthouse right on the water in Naples, and the view is spectacular, so I concentrate mainly on the furniture here and have to be supersized and very comfortable, and this is part of the whole view. People pay for that here, for the view. Now, the owner owns a lot of antiques, and I have to incorporate all of that in the design. So what I did is, this is an antique piano, and I just have to put everything to go with that. So I did the design around it. The design concept I use is I do design with flair, and I'm very passionate about the design I do. And my design flair, I do it with in mind with a lot of concepts that I really learned in Europe that makes me very well aware of the market, national and international. And I do simplicity and comfort with an attitude. So this is my motto in this business, is just follow that rule and I'll be fine. And what I do is I put things together and work very closely with the client. I do a lot of architectural detailing as I go to improve on the existing atmosphere that they gave me. The unit itself needs a lot of repairing, and even if it's a new one, it needs a lot of alteration in it, and I take care of that. And at this point here, I had to knock a lot of walls, erect some new places that I needed to make it more agreeable to the client. Diversity is the overwhelming trend in design right now, and I am versed in all kinds of styles. I do have a favorite. I think every designer have a favorite, and my favorite usually is the neoclassic and the contemporary, but I do everything equally well. A perfect example of total renovation will be that kitchen. As I said, this is a brand new penthouse, but the kitchen was not suitable to the client, so I just gutted it out and redid it all. And what I did is I opened more spaces, and I opened the door. There's no doors on it, so whenever whoever is cooking is with the people inside in the living room and the bar, and outside in the lanai area too. And the client really loves to do that kind of entertainment, so more of a casual, laid-back entertainment. And this is where you work very closely with the clients to make them happy. What we can do too for any design is we can tie in, your whole unit have to tie in together with colors and the design itself. In this, it's more of it's very European. It's got the overtone of the English style in it, and it does have a lot of antiques that have to be incorporated in the main design itself. So a couple of examples that we will go through right now will give you an idea how we incorporated antique with the design to make it fit all together beautifully. This antique piece is purchased by the owner, and this is his favorite, so we choose to put it in the main area so everybody can enjoy it too. And my job was to incorporate those antique pieces and the antique pieces in the dining room behind me, and do architectural design and build that bar and this wine cellar to go and match the colors of the main areas of the antique pieces that we used in this unit here. And that bar have a wine cellar. The color really coordinate with everything I'm using, and the overtone colors, as you can see, is the rust and the sage and the antique gold, and this usually bring out the antiques and all the dark furniture that we have over here. So that gives you an idea how we work through. Design is simple, and you have to separate the areas. So this area here is separated by this arch. I like to take areas and separate them, but at the meantime to leave them open, and this is where the architect comes in. Architect and design go hand in hand. So when you do them together and you tie in your lines together and you watch your corners, lines become the major thing in any design. And as you can see here, the lines ties in together beautifully, and it flows, and it opens up the space. This is the entrance for the penthouse, as you come in, it opened up to the main area here. This is the second entrance for it. I had no unification of lines at all, so I did my architectural designing in here was to design a certain kind of a cove up here just to tie in and do a medallion to go with it. So the lines ties in together beautifully. And then as you come in, you have always in a job like that a big selection of art that you need to display. And the galleries and penthouses allow me to display this beautifully together. As you can see, it just flows, and we create a gallery of all the nice paintings that they collect traveling to Europe. This room here was all white walls, and in any design they'll tell you that you take walls and use it as a canvas for your background. He wants to create, he's a collector of books, antique books, and he owns over 4,000 of those books. So what I did is I did the architectural design, I did the room, and I wanted that look of being in a hunt room in a country men's club. And this is it. It's very masculine, it's all wood, and furniture is very comfortable, and this is where the chemistry and the communication between the client and the designer comes in. And I do everything I do in my work is I do it with passion. So, you know, that where all that is poured into the job, the result is always very satisfactory to me and to the client. Now, you wonder where my accent is coming from, because nobody can miss this one. So I am French mother, Turkish father, and one of my grandparents is Italian. So I am actually United Nations on wheels. So that's